Welcome to Attic Group. This is the unboxing and quick overview of Oneplus 3T, the matte black version. This is the Indian variant of that, and it is a pure limited edition phone, and it was available on 31st March 2017 only. And I had ordered exactly at 2 p.m. on 31st March 2017, and it got delivered on 1st April. As soon as the parcel came, I thought I was really fooled, but then it was really Oneplus 3T delivered to me. So this was quite delightful. I am happy with the shipping speed of the Oneplus 3T. This is the box it comes with. Nothing inside. I'm surprised to see that how OnePlus Store has surpassed the delivery speeds of Amazon and Flipkart. Let's open this quietly. And here's the box. It's quite heavy, and this is the bubble wrapped. Good packaging from OnePlus. Wow. There's a special gift over here with this phone. I'll show you that later on. This is the box with the black finish, and there's the OnePlus logo here, written 3 over here in velvet, I think. At the back it's red. So the packaging is totally in MKBHD fashion. In the box it's written assembled in China, designed by OnePlus, and it's A3003, that is 128 GB midnight black limited edition. As you can see, the month and year of import is March 2017 midnight black, and even the manufacturing date is March 2017. That's completely a delight. Warranty includes 1 year for the phone and 6 months for the accessories. Here's the branding on the right side, OnePlus 3T. At the bottom there's just this barcode. On the left again there's OnePlus 3T branding, and on the top nothing but the red symbol. So let's just open it up. Wow, this has a leather finish touch. And the plastic. Just squeeze the box out. Let's see the content inside. Wow. Here's the phone. I'll just show you the phone within a moment. Let's see the content inside. Here's the plate for the phone inside this. Okay, the box comes from here. Inside this is a case, I guess. Yes, it's a case. Wow, it's a great case. It's a jelly case, and it's exclusive cover. It's written, I think you won't be able to read it, but it's written exclusive gift over here. Comes with a SIM ejector over here, and here are the warranty manuals. And there's this sticker for dash charge, as you can see. Let's keep this aside. Let's see what else is inside the box. And that's it with the box. Here. At the bottom again. Oh, sorry. There's this dash charger, huge heavy dash charger, which looks like a case. And here's the cable, the high quality cable with 300% of thickness and more amperage. They've increased, as they've said in the quiz of OnePlus. And here's a card from OnePlus 3T, and there's a message at the back. It says, "Friend, at OnePlus we understand that there are many choices when it comes to buying a smartphone. We want to thank you for your trust and support in purchasing a OnePlus. As a young company, we are by no means perfect, and it is the faith from customers like you that allows us to continue to learn and grow. OnePlus was founded on the idea that great products should be shared with friends. As part of our community, you are a very important part of what makes us OnePlus unique. If you love our OnePlus and what we stand for, please help spread the word. Or if there's something that you think we can be done better, please let us know. We're always looking for an opportunity to improve, and we look forward to hearing from you. You can reach us from forum or redirect me directly to CPEI, that is Kalpi, at oneplus.net. Never settle, Kalpi. And this is a coupon, that is a promo code of worth rupees 300, with which you can apply on OnePlus store for buying stuff. And this is valid till 31st December 2017. So great stuff and extremely happening delivery. I'm very happy that I got this device. Initially they had introduced a QLED version of this phone, which was exact the same. The only difference is that the branding of QLED was there on that piece, and that was exclusively available at Paris. Now coming to the phone itself, the phone looks amazing. You can see the matte black at the back. It looks like a matte black Audi sports car. What a finish! Exquisite. Just have a look at it. At the top front, what we have is a 16 megapixel front facing camera and sensors and the earpiece. At the bottom we have this, and at the bottom we have this fingerprint sensor which acts as a home button as well. At the back there's a camera. There's a great awesome camera with a single LED flash. There's this IMEI information, and center back of camera is the center of NFC sensor. That's a notice and warning. On the right side what we have is this button, and there's this SIM tray eject, and there's this SIM tray slot. And on the left side we have a ringer, notification ringer, and the volume keys. The tactile is quite awesome, and the finish of the phone is mind-blowing. You see these rings at the top and the bottom add up to the design, and the phone looks extremely good. Let us try and see how the cover looks on the phone. And the phone looks extremely good with the cover. It looks even more charming, and there's a tempered glass pre-applied on this, so you don't need to worry for that. So the phone is extremely pleasing, and I'm just instantly fallen in love with it. At the bottom what we have is the speaker grill, the USB port, the 3.5mm jack, and this mic. And on the top we have nothing but the mic, but the secondary noise cancellation mic over here. The phone is extremely light even with the cover, and it feels extremely good in hands with the cover. So thanks to OnePlus for providing this cover. I'm extremely pleased with it. Overall I love the phone, and I can tell you that you must buy this phone. Even if you're looking for iPhone, just save your money and buy this phone. If you're little short of the budget, then you just need to save your money, but go for this phone. I know it was exclusive, the Midnight Black won't be available, or only OnePlus knows when it will be available next, but then other versions of this are also worth it. I hope you like this video, guys. I would rate 10 on 10 for all features including pricing for this phone. Stay tuned for more videos on this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up to our video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our content. If you have any doubts or if you want me to make any particular videos with this phone, then please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys.